that's the bay I want. Okay. I gotta just kind of pull out as much as I think I need around this corner. Just take a guess. Doesn't matter for now, right? Oh. I probably don't really need this nail bag on, do I? Maybe I'll take it off, because I really am only going to need my hammer and the staples. Stapling this up. Ooh. Okay. Get this nail bag off. For right now, anyways. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I could have, this insulation has little bits of wire, and that wire is kind of bowed, and that holds the insulation up in there. Okay? And those are just friction fit. You can just lift it out, see? Like that. And so this is going to go up in there, kind of up where the box is. I'm going to give it enough to go up through there. And in fact, get my mask on. Try not to get insulation all in my mouth. Okay. See, I take my nail bag off and then I need my screwdriver out of it. That's just the way it goes usually. Because I gotta knock one of these out, or just push on it. Bend it up in there. Push this wire up through there. Let's see how much I want to have in there. Hold my hand back about 8 inches or so. There. Like that. That's all I need. Okay. Now, right there, I'm just going to staple right to the side of the floor joist, because it's plywood within 6 inches of the box. I'm just trying to lay the wire flat, okay? And I want to get one more high, and then I can pull the insulation back down. Okay. I'll just keep that wire right out of my way. Like so. And I got my other insulation right there. because I don't need that up anymore either, do I? Right here. So I'm going to reach up in there and pull this back. Say bye-bye to the box. Bye-bye, Mr. Box. These little wires just kind of hold it up. This insulation is designed to be friction fit, and the inspector probably made them put these wires, or a lot. I've seen them. I did a house one time. We put netting underneath, and they do that, you know, obviously before the subfloor's on. After all the plumbing's done and everything underneath, it's been all inspected and everything. Then they can roll this webbing fencing material out. It's nylon mesh type stuff, and sometimes I've seen it done that way. I've never really seen it done this way before, and I notice there's quite a few of these little wires that are missing now and again. And you know, I'll do it once over. After I get this project done, then I'm going to go around, and there's a few places where there was some missing insulation, some insulation that needed to be pushed up, some wires that were missing. And I can get this same type of wire at the store. It's like T-bar wire. You can get T-bar wire that's 18 gauge. I just saw it at Lowe's, and it came in a 100-foot roll, and then I can just pull it out and cut it to whatever lengths I want. Because see, this just pulls out. See, this wire, it's just a short little wire, and that's just kind of friction. It just sits there in between the floor joists. Okay, so now I can start my way back. And I don't have to push this up all the way this time. I can just push this insulation up. You're supposed to have this stapled, so you know, every few feet. And so I'm going to go ahead and staple it. I got one staple about here. I'm just going to do another one where the wire holding the insulation's not in my way. Pull tight on it. And have it flat. Okay. And I'm just going to keep going where this wire is. I'm just going to pull that back, you know, and push this up. Push it up. I can push the insulation up and then staple it some more, and then put these wires back in. Okay. Make sure you don't put the staples in so far that it digs into the Romex. Alright. Okay. We'll lower that down. Lower that. I'm gonna put this over a little bit over in there. And then the wire came in here. Push that back up. There. See there, I've got that all done to there. I'm going to keep going around the corner, and let's see if I can do one more. Show you what I'm going to do over here. Same way, since I got more stuff in my way. Okay, now I can just pull this wire back. Hold that wire. I'm I'm just going to push the wire up high, the little wire, so it holds the insulation up high, so I can at least get my staple in there. Right? I can get this out, pull this back down, readjust my insulation, pull it back down, put my wire support back in there. It almost looks like I know what I'm doing, huh? That's all there is to it. I've got to get over to the other side. Oh. This little knee pad is really helping me with this. Whew. See? Looks like I've not been there. And see, this insulation's up just a little bit, but just a little bit high, but you know, it's not as thick as the whole, these are, I think these are 12-inch, and the insulation's not 12 inches thick, but they just decided to run it about flush with the bottom of the joists. They could have ran it up higher if they wanted to. And I'm just rearranging this over here. Pull it down a little bit. Kind of match what's there before. Okay. My wires is hiding now. My outlet is hiding. My junction box is up there. And the mice won't see it, the rats won't see it, the squirrels. We caught a squirrel down here quite a few months ago. And, you know, sometimes you get all kinds of critters underneath your house. If you're not going to keep your wires unexposed, if you want to expose them, make sure they're up high and out of the way, and you'll probably be fine. I'm just doing it because I've got plenty of room. It's not really that much harder for me to do that. And see, I could have just ran the wire along here, stapled it into the side of the TJI. If I wanted to, I could have done that too. You know. So I'll get over there and keep working away. Whew. Okay. I got my dust mask on, my glasses on. Geez, yes, I should have brought my knee pad. What was I thinking? You know what? I'm gonna go get it. Yep. I am going to get my knee pad.